and I'm with Judicial Process and Support. Today I want to talk to you about service to Hong Kong. When we're serving legal documents to Hong Kong, we do not need to translate the documents since English is the official language. So all the documents can be sent in English. That will save you quite a lot of money. We're going to do the service under the Hague Convention, and under the Hague Convention, everything's going to be sent to the central authority. In this particular example that I have for you, we served 4 different defendants at 4 different locations in Hong Kong, and we ended up getting back the affidavit of service. As you can see here, we have a beautiful letter, and this letter is all in English, and it's coming from the government of the Hong Kong Special Administrative Region, Administration Wing, Chief Secretary for Administrator's Office in Hong Kong. Within this letter, it provides us the affidavit of service. In this affidavit of service, the affidavit is here signed and the affidavit is sealed. Again, it says that on a certain day, they attempted the service at a certain time. The time is unusual because usually when we get back an affidavit of service, an international service, they do not put the time. In this particular case, they ended up putting the time, where they ended up going, at what location, what was the address, and what happened and who was served. Here it says it was affirmed at the bailiff office. It has the address of the bailiff, the name of the bailiff, his signature, and the actual seal. Now, what's interesting is that they're going to also send it to us, as you can see here, in Chinese as well. So even though they only request the documents in English, they also send us the affidavit, but we don't need that affidavit. Now, what you see here is the actual application, the actual documents that was sent, and the whole packet that was prepared in order to send this. When they send it back, it all comes together, as you can see here, and it has this tight rope here so that they know that these 2 packages were sent together. Now, I have other examples of the services that we did, the other 4 services, and I want to show those to you as well. Now here, as you can see, we have several other packages. All the packages are very similar, but yet they're different because the affidavit is different. The time and date, it was different. Of course, when they served it, it has the affidavit. Again, all the documents that were presented with an actual bind rope, little rope here. And all of it is sent to us in this envelope that comes back to the U.S. certified. And as you can see here, it says here, on the government service, Hong Kong. It comes back where we have to sign for it so that the Hong Kong Central Authority knows that we've received our affidavit of service. Now, Hong Kong, as you notice, is right here, right? And even though we're sending the papers and it's part of China, again, it's separate. Hong Kong has its own central authority. The documents are sent in English, and there's a separate office that takes care of this matter. Once everything is served, it's sent back to the United States with the affidavit. We send the whole packet to the attorney. The attorney will then file it with their court, and then in turn will proceed with their matter. It's important to use a reputable company that knows what they're doing so that you can get swift service right away with no hiccups, and everything's done to perfection. Please, when you have international service of process, consider us here at Judicial Process and Support because we get it done. Thank you.